Pinterest Predicts 2024 was here this week, and it's bringing exciting updates and insights that business owners really should consider leveraging. Whether you're already a seasoned Pinterest user or just starting out, this annual event highlights the newest tools, features, and strategies that can boost your brand's visibility, engagement, and sales. We'll dive into the key takeaways from Pinterest Presents 2024 and how they can help you to streamline your marketing efforts and drive results. Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Jen Vazquez, and our agency helps hyper busy female service providers to utilize Pinterest and smart marketing workflows to be able to get all the marketing they need to get done in about an hour a week. What is Pinterest Presents? Pinterest Presents is an annual event where Pinterest unveils its latest innovations, trends, and insights for businesses and creators alike. It's all about helping brands and marketers stay ahead of the curve in a world that's constantly evolving, whether you're using Pinterest for content creation, e-commerce, or lead generation. This event showcases the features that can take your marketing strategy to the next level. Here are some key insights from Pinterest Presents 2024. Shopping made easier. One of the big reveals at Pinterest Presents 2024 is an expanded focus on shopping capabilities. Pinterest continues to innovate ways for businesses to connect with shoppers. New updates to shopping features like more personalized recommendations and easier in-app purchasing options are aimed at making it seamless for users to go from pinning to purchasing. What it means for your business. With a focus on creating a smoother shopping experience, make sure you're taking full advantage of shoppable pins and leveraging these updates to create a more engaging, easy to navigate shopping journey for your customers. Number two, the power of AI and personalization. Yep, Pinterest is jumping on that AI bandwagon, and they're doubling down on AI powered tools and personalization. Using advanced AI, Pinterest now offers better personalized content, recommendations, and trend insights that allow you to tailor your marketing efforts to exactly what your target audience is looking for. Expect smarter algorithms that will help surface your content to the right people at the right time. How to use this strategy. Utilize Pinterest's AI driven trend insights and tools to discover what your audience is searching for and engage with them with relevant content. This allows you to stay ahead of the trends and tap into conversations that matter to your audience. New creative tools for marketers. Pinterest Presents 2024 showcased a range of creative tools that make it easier for your brands to design compelling content, from updated video creation features to enhanced design templates. Pinterest is making it super easy to produce high quality, visually appealing content that captures attention. So, what are your next steps with this? Start experimenting with these new creative tools to elevate your content game. Video is already a powerhouse on Pinterest, so now's the time to explore different formats and create engaging pins that stand out in your audience's feed. Number four, the rise of collaborative shopping. Collaborative shopping is one of the most exciting trends coming out of Pinterest Presents 2024. This feature allows users to share boards and shop together in real time, making the shopping experience more social and more interactive. So, how could your brand benefit? If your business sells products, start encouraging your audience to collaborate on Pinterest boards. This is a fun way for users to discover new items and feel more engaged with your brand. You can even create shared boards that showcase customer picks or influencers' favorite items to spark more interaction. Number five, analytics and insights are more robust. Pinterest is stepping up its game with better analytics and insights to help marketers track their performance. With enhanced reporting tools, businesses can now gain more clarity about what's working, what's not, and where opportunities for growth lie. Make data-driven decisions. Regularly check your Pinterest analytics at least monthly and use these enhanced tools to optimize your strategy. If certain pins or products are performing well, use those insights to guide your future content and promotion. Data-driven marketing is the key to staying ahead in 2024. Why Pinterest predicts 2024 matters to your business. Pinterest is not just a social platform, it's a discovery engine or a search engine. The updates presented at Pinterest Presents 2024 are designed to make it even easier for users to find, save, and shop for the things that they love. For businesses, this means more opportunities to be discovered, engage with potential customers, and drive traffic. By embracing these new features, businesses can build stronger connections with their audience, simplify their content creation processes, yay for that, and ultimately grow their brand's presence on Pinterest. How to implement these changes today? Here are a few actionable steps that you can take after Pinterest Presents 2024. Update your strategy. Now, you should be doing this every 6 months or so, or every time your business has a major change or a major focus change. Review your current Pinterest marketing strategy and align it with these new features. Integrate more shopping elements and tap into Pinterest's AI-driven insights to better target your content. Experiment with creative tools. Start using the new creative tools to produce eye-catching pins that engage your audience. Mix video, product pins, and collaborative boards to keep your content fresh and exciting. Use insights for optimization. Monitor your Pinterest analytics to see how your pins perform and adjust your strategy based on the data for your pins in your business on your Pinterest account. Focus on what's resonating with your audience and lean into those strengths. Bottom line, Pinterest Presents 2024 proves that Pinterest is continuing to evolve as a powerful platform for businesses of all sizes. And with 500 million people on Pinterest, it is definitely the place that your business should be. By integrating these tools and trends into your marketing efforts, you can stay ahead of the competition and create meaningful connections with your audience. Start making the most of Pinterest today and see how these updates can help you drive your business forward. And if you want a Pinterest analyzer to know what to track each month, go ahead and go to thepinterestqueen.com/resources. Have a great day.